What is up, you little carrots? Welcome back to Leroy Fixing Shit. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt, and today I'm going to show you guys how to pesticide free your house. Okay, we're going to be taking a pesticide that we got from the local Lowe's, I believe. But basically what you guys want to do is go in your garage, find any kind of pesticide you guys have. Anything will do, pesticide related. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to take it. For example, today we are using Ortho Home Defense. Okay, this is Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer for indoor and perimeter. Kills all common household bugs. This is exactly what we're looking for. So you guys might be saying, Leroy, why are we pesticide free in our house? I'll tell you guys why. Your old lady seen a bug crawl across the floor, and we need to take care of that. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you, basically you guys are what you guys don't want to do is step on the wand. I stepped on this wand about a year and a half ago. Okay, this is what happens when you step on the wand. You got a loosey-goosey wand here. But guess what? We ain't gonna let that stop us. So I'm gonna take you guys around. I'm gonna show you guys how to spray for pests all around your house. Okay, so what you do is you take this Ortho Home Defense or whatever you got in the garage. I'm gonna hold the camera like this. With this broken wand, we got to do it a little bit different, but step number one, you test your wand, make sure it's spraying. We're good. So you just keep it on going. Go all the way around the perimeter of your house. Okay, sometimes you guys might come across an anthill like this. All right, these are red ants. These are nasty little creatures, but you just give them a little extra juice and there ain't nothing that's gonna happen after that. Okay guys, see, they're all coming out. They're getting a little freaked out right now, but you just give them a nice little soaking, nice little juicing. That's all you got to do there. All right, so now we're going to keep on going around. We just keep following the house around. You just spray. We're just spraying a perimeter line, that's all. Come back over here, keep on going. Oh, there's a wasp. Look at that, guys. You just spray the little guy, give him a little juice. That's all he needs. See that? Taking care of the problem as we speak. Okay, keep on going around. Sometimes you run into a bush like this. What you do is you just keep spraying around the bush, whatever. We got some plants. Keep on squirting. Squirt, squirt, squirt. And then you walk back up in here. Yeah, I know I need to weed this garden. Don't worry about that, folks. All right, coming on around. We're just spraying the perimeter. You hear that pump going? That's all you guys need to worry about. You just keep that pump going. Whatever kind of squirter, whatever kind of sprayer you all got, keep on going all the way around. Okay, big spots are your doorways. Okay folks, you go all around the doorway like that. Keep on squirting. That's all you guys got to think about the whole time you guys are doing this. Just keep on squirting. Keep it as close as you can to the perimeter. Just keep on squirting. Come up on your back porch here. Doors are your biggest spots. Come on around the back side of the grill. No problem. We're going to come on around the table here. Give it a little extra squirt. Back side of the AC units. And that's all you guys got to do. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you guys do like the videos and you like the content, please make sure you like and subscribe. This is called Leroy Fixing Shit. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt. I'll see you all in the next video. There's no telling what we're going to be fixing next week, but that's what we're doing this week. How to keep pests out of your home. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.